Howdy, lads and lassies. Welcome back, y'all. Well, we're in the desert with this guy, and this guy right here, and this company right here, which is the company that made these lights right here, the Flex Era 4s on my motorcycle. And we are going to Death Valley. Needless to say, I just had maybe the worst freeway drive of my life. Coming on the 15, there was like 50 to 70 mile an hour gusts. I had some scary moments. Was not fun, but we're here now. We're about 2 hours away from the gas station where we got to fill up, and then we're heading into Death Valley. So this is going to be a multi-part series. We're going to do section 6 of the BDR, as well as a bunch of other trails. Come on along. Boom. We are at the general store. Just went through another crazy windstorm. We're officially in Death Valley. In, I don't know the name of this place. Panamint Springs. Panamint Springs. Real pretty view there. The rest of the KC guys showed up here. This cool truck carrying gas for everybody, except me. But gonna get some food. Sorry, I can't talk right now. That wind sucked. I just did another like 60 miles of heavy wind. It was scary. I didn't like it at all. Here we are at the trailhead of Saline Vally Road. We're gonna go on a motor landing. We're here in Death Valley doing a bunch of trails out here, and now we're gonna check out Saline Valley Road. It looks like to our campsite it is 52 miles. Okay, I've never done 52 miles in the dirt. Here we go. All right, here we are on, iPad, on Saline Valley Road here in Death Valley. So far, I'm a couple miles in right now, and it's just a lot of this loose gravel. It's kind of washboardy. I'm very comfortable sitting at like 35, 40 miles an hour, kind of in between there. And then it goes on and off to this asphalt. So you still gotta kind of watch out. Little bumps and potholes and stuff like that. But for the most part, so far, so good. Easy, breezy, beautiful color girl. Well, we're about 15 miles in now, and it's been a lot of this like asphalt to gravel still, but the view, wow, the view is amazing. Got a bunch of Jeeps behind me on my tush, but just kind of trying to rest up and stay fresh for when it gets a little more difficult, supposedly. So here we go. All right, just started climbing up this hill here. Had to slow down a little bit. It's getting a little technical, and a little more rocky and pretty slippery. Not too sandy, which is nice. Just kind of boulders everywhere and rocky and all that other stuff. A little uphill here. This is a really fun trail though. Super fun. So far, fairly beginner. No problems on any kind of adventure bike whatsoever. So far. I don't know, we'll see how it gets. We've got how many miles to go? 40 miles to go. So we'll see how it goes. I'm having fun though. I do like this course. Take this second to talk about tires. I am so glad I have Continental TKC 80s on this bike. Yeah, they're soft, they wear out quick, but they feel great on the road, like no problems. They do not feel knobbyish on the road, and off-road, you just know they're the best. And I'm not the only one who thinks they're the best. Everybody thinks they're the best. But, I mean, just especially of the front tire, it feels you just feel so solid compared to other tires. Now I know I'm not doing crazy like enduro-y stuff right now, but just being out here for what I'm doing, you know, going 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, whatever, you know, makes me feel confident that I can get through this without popping a tire, popping a flat or something like that, you know. So it really is quite nice. I will say that. It's nice having a good adventure off-road tire that I think for me, for the riding I do on road, it's fine. I've never ever felt weird or any kind of slippage, you know. So I guess if I want to ride fast on the street, I'll go buy a, you know, double R1000 or something like that. But for what I'm doing on this bike, I'll take a TKC 80 day of the week. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, my wife and I, we like to go up there in early June.
Wow, look at that. Now we're in this big, rocky, nasty downhill, but you can't beat that view. And I am so bummed out I did not catch the F-18 that just zoomed me. He must have been 100 feet off the deck, if that. Like, he was so close it shook my whole body. But that was awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So far, where am I at now? I got 34 miles to go, and feeling great. I don't like this long downhill, but you know, that's downhill. So it just is what it is. We're just kind of taking it easy and doing the bowl dance. I got a couple of the guys in front of me, and I'm gonna keep them in front of me because I don't hate their pace. It's not bothering me any, but you know, so far so good. And come through this trail, it's really pretty. Like, I'm only a few miles in and I can tell you it's gorgeous. So gonna have fun coming up this hill later tomorrow, or the next day, or whenever I leave. I gotta come out this way, so that'll be fun. Oh, more traffic up here. Just coming out of this downhill now, pretty much the same, but come on, y'all, look at this view. Whoa, that hurt. I mean, wow. Yeah, I mean, this just doesn't suck. This downhill kind of sucks, but this view does not suck. The same what you guys are seeing now, just sort of rocky, random little rocks kind of popping up. Just kind of get around those things and you're good. But a lot of happening right now. So still having fun. I think we got 30 miles to go, 30 miles left, and apparently we're coming up to some older section. I don't know what the guy said, but I don't really quite understand, to be honest. Oh, downhills are so fun. Yay. God. Well, this section sucks. Downhill and boulders. Super fun. I'm just slowly, one by one, letting Jeeps pass me. They can go through this a lot faster than me. It's this soft stuff, followed by this rough bouldery stuff on a downhill. Totally sucks. But right now, I'm holding up pretty good. Everybody's kind of spread out decently. Whoa. When they ask if you need a skid plate or why you need bars and all the protection, come out here. Do one trail like this and you'll see why it's worth every penny. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This way. Oh boy. This way, y'all. This right, y'all. Well, now we're in some bouldery stuff. Loose boulders, and it just sucks. Oh, we're through. I think that's it. I should have turned the camera on sooner. Well, maybe not. Oh, this actually looks okay. Yeah. Oh, glad that wasn't long. That would have sucked. And as you can see by my mirror, I had a little accident. I was actually pulling over, trying to pull to the side, and I hit a bunch of sand and just went yut yut and fell down. So not a crash, just a little lay down, if you will, because of sand while I was trying to pull over. Anyway, I've got 17 miles left, and I'm working through this like sandy kind of bit here, and it goes in and out of super soft sand to nice rock. So it's really soft sand. It really sucks, but it is what it is, and I'm just keeping the gas on in second gear slowly, just trying to get through it all, keeping my speed up for the sand. And yeah, good times, great oldies. Oh, so far so good, but I'll tell you this, I would not have wished to leave my house this early and then do this whole trail. I'll say that. I'd probably come a little bit in and then camp for a night, or drive out here when there's not, you know, 50-mile-an-hour winds and stuff. So yeah, but catching up to some people right now. We've got some breakdowns. We got a whole bunch of stuff happening here, but we're having fun. I'm tired. I'm excited to get to camp, that's for damn sure. Anyway, talk to you soon. Wow.
Track, huh?
I fell down, go boom. Yeah, I was trying to pull over and I hit soft sand and I just went boom. I was like, motherfucker, seriously? I haven't crashed on this bike before, ever. But that wasn't a crash, that was like a
drop.
Yeah, that was a Well, we're about 6 miles, 4 miles, all right. Getting close to camp now. I've got Marco and Brad. Marco is Overland X. He's like the King Koopa chef of overlanding. Check him out if you don't know him. And I got Brad from Trail Recon ahead of me right now. And they're being cool guys, guiding me in. Eating their dust kind of sucks, but kind of sandy through here. Little sandy pits. It's not bad though. This is actually maybe the most enjoyable part of the trail. I wish it was daylight so I could see it better, but I got these KC highlight lights on me, and you know, I can see pretty nicely. I'm doing okay, especially in the dust up here with Brad. But I'm gonna actually slow down a little bit, let him get a little bit ahead of me. because when I hit sand, I have to accelerate. Man, dust, dust, dust. Yeah, 4 miles. Getting close. Almost there. Whoops. Well, here we are. Cooking some of this. Some burgers, some cheese. Got some bacon right here. Today's trail was a lot of fun and a lot of suck. But yeah, it was a good time. Got a camp set up here. Got the rest of the crew over here. And we're cooking burgers.